Hello and welcome. This is going to be an unboxing review of the Potensic T25 drone with the case and the extra battery. This sells on Amazon right now for about $219, and the difference is there's another one that's just the drone that's for $159. This is a separate package that doesn't have a lot of reviews on it, so looking for the drone's reviews for the Potensic T25, look at the $159 model because it has, I think, over 300 reviews. Over 5.5 stars. So it's been very well reviewed. And I just want to go over an unboxing, what this thing includes. But the main point is, this is $219, and the big difference is it comes with an extra battery and the case. So after you look at the review, see what it comes with, you'll decide whether or not this is worth the extra money. What it comes down to is the batteries are $36 a piece separately, and so that would leave the case at that price to be about $25. And overall, my opinion is that it is worth it, because once you get a drone, if you've never had one, trying to find a way to carry it around, very difficult. So to have one that's milled, that's made fairly well. I mean, it's not all metal. This looks like some type of a silver plastic coated cardboard perhaps, but it does feel sturdy. Real metal edges and a molding and nice metal hinges here, a nice little handle. So it does look like it's pretty well made, certainly well enough to carry day to day around whenever you're going to be using it, or on weekends or on vacation. And again, it's not really that big. From online, these look a lot bigger, but this is really not that big of a case. So look at the dimensions online if you have any concerns about the size. So again, this is what it includes, unboxing. It comes with the manuals. It comes with the drone itself. With this little piece of foam that's put there to protect the camera, because the camera does articulate. You want to take that out before you use it. But a nice drone that comes with the landing gear already installed. It comes with the remote. And again, it's in here pretty snug, and the foam that's in here is pretty substantial, so it's not flimsy where it's going to just start breaking apart. It comes with the remote. The connector on the back that attaches to it, so you can put your smartphone, so you can actually see what the drone sees, which looks like an Xbox type of remote, and it feels pretty well made. Again, 2 extra batteries, which was one of the big differences about this drone, or this package actually. The USB charger, an extra set of landing gear. It said that it came with an extra 4 propeller guards. It actually only comes with 4. So it's not an extra set. It does come with 4 propeller guards. And if you've never used a drone before, I highly recommend you put those on. The first drone I owned was a T18, and I certainly hit quite a few objects before I learned how to use it. These propeller guards certainly come in handy to avoid you having to replace those propellers. And speaking of replaceable propellers, this is the little accessory package it comes with, replacement parts. That out here. So you've got 4 spare propellers, a package with these little 4 minuscule screws that everyone loves to lose, screwdriver for those. It's actually, those screws are used to mount these propellers to the motors themselves. 2 extra gears, I imagine, for the motors, 2 of these little caps that go on the top of the motors here, and that's it. The screws, the propellers for extra propellers, an extra set of landing gear was here. 2 batteries, the attachment for the smartphone, the remote control, the manuals, and the drone itself. At $219, saying that this case would be actually costing you about $25 in that package. Again, not a bad deal, not a bad case. And again, once you buy one, you're really thinking, okay, well, now what am I going to do with it? So the case really takes that question off the table. That's about it. That's just an unboxing review of the Potensic T25 drone, and this is the package with the case for $219 on Amazon. Thank you.